Okay, I wanted to give you guys a quick introduction of who I am. I think a lot of you guys already know who I am, but my name is Renee Allen, and this is my first time teaching summer school. I'll be your biology instructor this summer. It's all online, so I'm gonna there after this, or there's in this same module, there's instructions on how to do the class. So make sure you go through those so you understand exactly what you got to do, and again, it's in modules. Follow them in order, otherwise it'll get confusing. And I'll, send you emails and keep up with you. As far as me, I have my undergrad degree I got from NDSU. My master's I got from Minot State. So I'm a Bison Beaver. I guess I'd mostly a Bison. I mean, who doesn't want to cheer for NDSU? I have 3 kids. I have 3 grandkids. I have 2 crazy dogs, which in some of the videos you will hear squeaking toys or barking because they're obnoxious. We've been together too long. Um, my passions are fishing. I love to fish, ice fish, open water fish. I love to fish. And I love sports. I am from Minneapolis originally, so I have to cheer for the Vikings. It's just one of those things. Those of you that were born here, you're lucky you get to pick a team. Those of us that weren't born here, we don't have that option. If you need to get a hold of me, please just email me. Everything's in the syllabi. But now what I want you to do is just do a little short version of tell me who you are. You can either make a video like this or you can type it in. Again, it's nothing major. I just want to know a little bit about who's in my class. So if you got any questions, email me, and I hope you have a good semester. Remember, it's going to be quick. It's taking 16 weeks and pounding it into 8 weeks. So be careful, be watchful of your due dates, and everything will be fine.